Now we are discussing about work from home details. In that today we are discussing about floor grinding and vegetable shop, grinding shop, floor and grinding shop in your colony will give a moderate income. In this business, a long-term commitment will give success because you should be familiar. Medium-sized floor machine enough to start this floor shop with heavy weight machines. And next point is a floor machine. With floor machine, you can start with grinding machine also. Daily, so many will come for making tiffins, dosha, idli, etc. Apart from this, in the same shop, you can start a table with vegetables with basic items, potatoes, chili, onions, tomatoes, etc. Next point is vegetable shop. Vegetables shop. These are regular going items. You can get vegetables from wholesale points. If you are having a good tie-up, they will supply vegetables to your shop itself. They will supply weekly once. It is enough to survive. With flour and grinding shop, you can add vegetables also. Sales also should be there. In this business, 50% margin will be there. If you work hard, profits are yours, but risk will be there. And next point is what are the types of grinding machine. Exploring the different types of grinding machines. Bench grinding machine. Bench grinding machines are characterized by their bench-like shape. Belt grinding machine. Belt grinding machines are characterized by the use of a belt sander. Surface grinding machines. A third type of grinding machine. It is a surface grinding machine. Gear grinding machine, die grinding machine. Likewise, so many grinding machines are there. And next point is what is meant by grinding. Grinding is an abrasive machining process that uses a grinding wheel or grinder as the cutting tool. Grinding is a subset of grinding a true metal cutting process. Grinding is used to finish work pieces that most show how surface quality and high accuracy of shape and dimension. This is the information regarding grinding shop, grinding, floor, grinding and vegetables. Floor and grinding and vegetable shop both are there in the same means. The income will be frequently will come because floor grinding, floor making and grinder and as well as vegetables are there in the same location means you will get the frequent floating will be there. You will get vegetable sales also will be there. So it is very profitable and beneficial also on both sides. Wishing you all the best.